Hello students, welcome all of you once again in my video lecture. Dear students, myself is Ravindra Budwansar from Sri Tilok Jain Higher Secondary Vidyalaya Patardi. In last video, we started the chapter Nuclear Chemistry and Radioactivity from 11th Chemistry syllabus. Now we shall going to study the next topic in this video. Our today's topic is similarity between the solar system and structure of atom. In this video, we are going to study what are similarities in between the solar system, solar system, that means sun and planets, and the structure of atom. What are similarities? First point is solar system is made up of sun and planets. We know in the solar system is like this. Let's say this is sun, and the planets are revolving around the sun. So in this way, the planets are revolving in the different orbits around the sun. So this is the solar system we know. So it is made up of sun and planets. Then the sun is at the center and planets moving around it under the force of gravity. So sun is at the center and the planets, they are revolving around the sun due to gravity. So under the force of gravity, there is force of gravity in between the planets and sun. So they are revolving around the sun. The atom consists of the nucleus, that is tiny central core, like the sun, consisting of protons and neutrons. So similar to solar system, the structure of atom is also resembling the solar system. The structure of atom, it also resembles solar system. म्हणजे ॲटमचं जर स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तर हे अगदी सोलार सिस्टीम सारखंच असतं. जसं सूर्य मध्यभागी आहे सोलार सिस्टीमच्या ॲट द सेंटर, तसंच ॲटमच्या स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये मध्यभागी या ठिकाणी न्यूक्लियस असतो. सो लेट्स से देर इज न्यूक्लियस ॲट द सेंटर. सो द ॲटम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, दॅट इज टायनी सेंट्रल कोर. टायनी म्हणजे खूप छोटा, इट इज व्हेरी स्मॉल. सेंट्रल कोर part present at center, consisting of protons and neutrons. So it consists of protons and neutrons. So the central part, that is nucleus, consists of protons and neutrons. So these are the nucleons which are present in the nucleus. Then surrounding region of space occupied by fast moving electrons. So around the nucleus, just like the planets in the solar system, the electrons, they are revolving around the nucleus. So in the space, in the surrounding region, in the surrounding space, the fast moving electrons are present. म्हणजे न्यूक्लियसच्या भोवती फास्ट मुव्हिंग, म्हणजे त्यांना स्पीड तर असतं, खूप स्पीड असतं. सो फास्ट मुव्हिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दे आर रिव्हॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. फोर्सेस होल्डिंग सब ॲटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स आर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक. आता हे सब ॲटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स म्हणजे कोणते, तर ॲटममधले पार्टिकल्स. ॲटममधले पार्टिकल्स म्हणजे प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. हे पार्टिकल्स, हाऊ दे आर होल्ड टुगेदर, सो दे आर हेल्ड टुगेदर with the help of the attractive forces which are electrostatic. Electrostatic means they are related to charges, positive and negative charges. We know protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral, but electrons are negatively charged. So electrostatic forces, they act in between the protons and electrons, and therefore they are held together in the region which is around the nucleus and in the nucleus. Then radius of nucleus is of the order of 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So radius of nucleus, let's say this is nucleus, if then this radius is about 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So radius of the nucleus is of the order of 10 raised to minus 15 meter, and that of outer space is of the order of 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So outer space means the radius of the orbits in which the electrons revolve, that is about of the order of 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So it is more, so it is greater, 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now we shall study some information about the atom. An atom, it is denoted as XZA. So any atom is denoted like this, XZA, where X is the symbol of element, any element, it may be any element. Then Z is number of protons present in that atom, and it is called as atomic number. Number of protons present in the atom of that element, it is called as its atomic number. So Z, it is denoted by Z. Then A is the mass number of that atom, it is also called as atomic mass. So mass number or atomic mass, A. And this A, it is sum of protons and neutrons present in the atom. So in that atom, the number of protons plus number of neutrons, it gives you A. That means we can write in the form of equation, that is A is equal to Z plus N, where A is atomic mass, Z is atomic number or number of protons, and N is number of neutrons in that atom. The nucleus of a specific isotope is called as nuclide. Now what is nuclide? Nucleus of a specific isotope of an element, it is called as a nuclide. Now what are isotopes? Isotopes are the different species of the same element, that is having same number of protons but different number of neutrons, and hence different mass number. So different number of protons and hence different mass number. Charge on the nucleus, it is plus Ze. Now we know in the nucleus there are protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, whereas neutrons are neutral, they do not carry any charge. So net charge present on the nucleus is positive charge. And how much positive charge is present on a nucleus? The number of protons present into that multiplied by plus 1, that means plus charge, and the magnitude will be equal to number of protons. And what is number of protons? Number of protons and number of neutrons are equal in a neutral atom. Plus it is positive charge because protons are positively charged. Then Z, number of protons, and E is magnitude of one positive charge. It will be magnitude of one positive charge, because we know E is electrostatic charge present on electron, but it is minus 1, and plus 1 or plus E, it will be one positive charge present on the one proton, and number of protons Z. So total charge present on the atomic nucleus will be plus Z E, that is plus 1 Z into E, and that of outer sphere is minus Z E. So charge on the outer sphere, that is out of the nucleus, it will be minus Z E. That means because electrons carry negative charge, Z will be again number of protons is equal to number of electrons, and E will be charge on the electron. So charge present outside the nucleus will be minus Ze. Atom is electrically neutral. So because number of protons and number of electrons are equal, number of positive charges and number of negative charges will be equal, and therefore total atom will be electrically neutral. Entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So mass, whatever mass of the atom, it is concentrated in the nucleus. This is because protons have mass, neutrons have mass, electrons they have negligible mass, and therefore total mass of the atom that is concentrated in the nucleus in the form of protons and neutrons. When mass of electron is negligible, I told you just now that mass of electron is negligible, and that is 1 upon 1837th of mass of the proton. म्हणजे एका इलेक्ट्रॉनचं मास किती आहे तर 1/1837 म्हणजे 1837वा भाग प्रोटॉनच्या मासचा. दॅट इज व्हेरी निग्लिजिबल, दॅट विल बी व्हेरी लेस. देन रेडियस ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इज गिव्हन बाय r is equal to, r is radius of nucleus, r is equal to r0 into a raised to 1 upon 3, where r0 it is constant, r0 is constant, and that is equal to 1.33 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Then a is mass number of that atom and raised to 1 upon 3. So r, radius of the nucleus of a particular atom, it is equal to r0 into a raised to 1 upon 3. And volume of nucleus V, volume of nucleus V, it is proportional to r and hence a. So volume of nucleus will be proportional to r, radius शी संबंधित व्हॉल्यूम असेल. रेडियस जेवढा जास्त तेवढा व्हॉल्यूम जास्त असेल, रेडियस जेवढा कमी असेल तेवढा व्हॉल्यूम कमी असेल. सो व्हॉल्यूम विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द रेडियस ऑफ द atom or radius of that nucleus, and hence a, that means volume of the nucleus will also be directly proportional to a, that is mass number or atomic mass of that nucleus. So that is about the similarity between solar system and atom, and also some information about the atom as well as the nucleus. So students, we shall stop here. You see my further videos for further important topics. Thank you very much.